welcome back. Happy Sunday. Happy September 1st. It is now reasonably acceptable to have fall decor out. However, I did post a video yesterday that I filmed today. So I had the same outfit and jewelry, but it is now technically acceptable because it is September 1st to have our fall background, my pumpkin necklace, and I use the Too Faced pumpkin spice palette and lip gloss because y'all, your girl loves fall. Just saying. So anyway, welcome. I hope again you all are having a fantastic Sunday, and again, happy September. Y'all, it is here. Yay. So if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do lots of fun unboxings, giveaways, haul videos, live streams, sneak peeks. And speaking of giveaways, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. That link will be down below. It does end on the 22nd, so make sure you go ahead and enter. Also, if you'd like a chance to win the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box, I do have a giveaway going on for that as well. That ends on the 6th, so there's still time to enter both. But as you can see, today we are doing our September 2019. That's still rolling off my tongue. It sounds great, but it sounds a little weird. Our September 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. So for those of you that are not familiar with Thrift-A-Bag, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll get into what we got this month. So Thrift-A-Bag is a monthly subscription where you receive 3 products. They can be handbags, wallets, wristlets. It's just a variety of purses, bags, things like that. They will be name brand. Now, you're not guaranteed to receive a luxury high-end brand every month. Occasionally, you may receive a higher-end brand, but I want to read here. This is always inside the box that tells you about your items, and I want to read this to you because I do want it known that, you know, these items sometimes are pre-owned. However, the curator and owner of this subscription does an immaculate job at cleaning the bags, and you would never know that they were pre-owned. I've received many new purses or bags or wallets. I've also received several pre-owned, and you would never be able to tell the difference. But it is a sole proprietorship business, so it's just her. And she is a power seller on eBay, which I think is fantastic. So that should tell you something there. But she says, it started as a hobby for me selling pre-owned bags on eBay. I enjoy thrifting and finding great deals. I do my best to accommodate style preference. However, Thrift-A-Bag is more of an element of surprise subscription. So you can definitely email her directly if you have any questions. So you do fill out a little bit of a style preference profile, and she'll do her best to try and, you know, match that. But sometimes, as with any subscription, it may not be 100% tailored to you. It is a surprise, but either way, I guarantee you are going to love Thrift-A-Bag. It is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's always so much fun, and like I said, everything is always so beautiful. So it says your monthly box will arrive at your door containing 3 pre-owned handbags. Like I said, quite a bit of the time you do receive new items as well. Each handbag is handpicked from local thrift stores, then cleaned and curated for you. Boxes include a variety of styles such as totes, clutches, shoulder bags, wallets, cosmetics cases, wristlets, backpacks, and more. I've actually received a Kate Spade lunch tote, and it was beautiful. The handbag theme will range from vintage to modern. Brand names such as Coach, Michael Kors, Betsey Johnson, Calvin Klein, Sack, Macy's Inc., Kate Spade, Dana Buchman, Dooney and Bourke, DKNY, Vera Bradley, Guess. So it's such a wide variety. But don't expect to receive, you know, a brand new Coach handbag or a brand new Louis Vuitton or anything like that. That's not going to happen with this subscription. So, but I will put a link down below as well as a coupon code to save you $5 off your first box. So that is super awesome. So let's see what we got for September. It does tell us on here One thing I think too that is really nice is she always includes a gift bag because, like I said, it has the element of surprise. So if one of the bags really isn't your taste, you can gift a bag. I just love that. And I have a really, really well-rounded accumulation of gift bags now. So it's just like a little perk. I love it. All right, so our first item right here is, I'll open it first. Oh, this is different. Oh. This is a Kenneth Cole classic pleated leather metal strap crossbody or shoulder bag. And this is pre-owned. Oh, okay. I was wondering because I'm like, so you've got, that is really cute how it's like that pleated look and then kind of cinched on the sides. But you have the option here to have the straps this way, or if you want to make it a crossbody, there you go. So 2-in-1, which is awesome. And here's the tag where it says Kenneth Cole. Sure you guys can see that good. So let's see, if you look at the bottom, no marks, no scuffs, nothing. Oh. The inside is red, and it's got a little zipper section right here, and then a couple little pockets. But again, nothing, not a mark, nothing. And I do like, I just noticed this, it has the little clasp right here. Some people like to use this for their keys, so you know where they're at, especially, well, I was gonna say in larger purses. This is, to me, like the perfect, like it's a great date night purse. It's black, but it just has this like chic design, and I think that is really, really cute. And I like that you have the option to wear it as a crossbody, or you can carry it like this. This is probably how I would carry it. And I don't know, I just think that's really cute. What do you guys think? So that's our first bag. So yay. All right, then we have, this looks like this is new because I think I see a tag. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, I am in love. Okay, so if you guys have followed me at all, one thing I love is Michael Kors. Now, this is a Michael Kors item. This is, it says money pieces, small coin purse, but it's kind of like a wristlet. It is brand new, it has the tags, but how gorgeous. It's like this like shimmer. I love this. I love that it's a wristlet. Here on the back, you got a spot for your ID and some cards. And then, oh, it's just paper. You know, you got a little section there if you maybe want to put like a lipstick or something. And then it opens. What are you? Oh, and it's even got like a little key ring on the inside. This is like seriously the cutest little coin purse, money purse. There's even a little pocket on the inside. This is so stinking cute. I know I just said that bag right there was great for date night. This is even better in my opinion because it is so small and compact. And as a mom, I have so much stuff in my purse that it is gonna be so nice to maybe just grab this and go. And my purse is Michael Kors. It's my favorite. And I absolutely love this. And this is gorgeous. And you guys, you can see it still has the tag. This is brand new. I mean, that is amazing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. All right, and then our final item is from Betsey Johnson, and this is a faux fur leopard backpack, and this still has tags, so this is new as well. So you can see the tag there, and it has the straps, and they say Betsey. You can kind of see it here. Betsey Johnson. So you've got the straps like you would with a regular book bag. It has a front pouch. That's actually really pretty on the inside. So you could put stuff down in there. The good thing about book bags, honestly, especially one like this that's super roomy, you could use this as a diaper bag. You could use this for so many different things. Yeah, and here on the inside, I mean, it even still, you could, like I said, I mean, it's got the tags. You can tell it's new, but it even still has the plastic here that hasn't been taken off of the label. But you have a zipper section here, and then you've got a big pocket right here, and then obviously you can see inside the big book bag. That is like really awesome. The zipper pouches are really good size. The zippers or the like actual pulls are really neat looking. They're like little lightning bolts that say Betsey Johnson. And obviously the straps are adjustable, but that is so cute. The bottom, I like that it obviously is not the faux fur on the bottom. So you have the black there. That's cute. And I'm trying to figure out, that's like a full-size book bag. That is really awesome, and it is so soft. So that is so cute. It is brand new. That is crazy. So we got this super cute faux fur Betsey Johnson book bag. This gorgeous brand new Michael Kors, they're calling it a small coin purse. But like I said, it's got the place for your ID here on the back. And then we got the Kenneth Cole, this really cute, beautiful, I just like this, the chicness and something about the way this looks. The like ruching detail is just gorgeous. And the metal chain that you can adjust to make it a crossbody. I think that is gorgeous. I just really think all three of these are absolutely gorgeous pieces. And yeah. So, what I am going to do, because she gives us the bag to gift a bag if we don't think we will use one of the items. Well, I can tell you right now, I have a Michael Kors purse. I have crossbodies. I obviously now have this new Michael Kors wristlet. I have quite a few bags. One I know I'm not going to use is a book bag. I I know I won't. And I know, obviously, it is back to school time. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. So here's what you need to do. If you would like to win this brand new Betsey Johnson faux fur backpack, you need to be subscribed to my channel. These are my normal rules. You must like this video, leave a comment down below with the words "enter me," and let's see, today is September 1st. We'll have this run obviously I had not planned on this. We will have this run until, you know what, we'll just do the 22nd. It's the same day that my 5,000 subscriber giveaway ends. It's 3 weeks. So you'll have 3 weeks. You can enter. Again, you must be subscribed. You must like this video, leave a comment down below with the words "enter me," and I will be using a random comment picker. So this will end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 22nd. And then on the 23rd, I will respond after using a random comment picker to the winner's comment, and I will pin their comment. They'll have 48 hours to get back to me. Otherwise, I will choose another winner. And I will verify that you are subscribed, that you like the video, and again, that your comment does contain the words "enter me." You must have a U.S. shipping address. You can live outside of the U.S., but you must have a U.S. shipping address, and you must be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. So those are the rules, super simple. I'll put it all down below as well. Again, this is gonna run until the 22nd, the same day that the 5,000 subscriber giveaway ends. So if you would like to win, again, this gorgeous brand new Betsey Johnson book bag, all you gotta do are follow those rules. So this is my way of gifting back to one of you guys. So let me know your thoughts down below about this month. I thought it was fantastic. Happy September again, you guys. I am so excited. I love fall. It is my favorite time of the year. So again, if you want to win this backpack, just follow those rules. And on the 23rd, I will announce the winner. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.